Hello and welcome back to the That Was Easy channel. Today I'll be showing you guys the best beginner card trick in which you have your spectator choose a card and then you can tell which one it is within 0.1 seconds of looking at the deck. Now onto a performance of what the trick looks like. So first I'll go ahead and have my spectator choose any card they want, but first we can go ahead and shuffle the deck a bit. Just give it a few cuts, maybe even do a nice riffle shuffle, just like that. Then we can go ahead, cut it, and I'll have my spectator say stop anytime. Okay, right there. And this will be my spectator's card. We'll leave it right off screen, right there. And now we'll flip the deck over, and I bet that I can tell which card is missing just by looking at the deck for half a second, maybe even faster. So let's go ahead, fan out the deck. And then, okay, I got it. The card that was taken out was the King of Hearts. And now, on to the tutorial. But wait, before we get on to the actual tutorial, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment some other tricks you'd like to see me perform in the comment section down below. But now, on to the tutorial. So this trick is actually super easy to perform. It requires almost no sleight of hand, which is why I call it the best beginner card trick ever. So first, what you're going to want to do is just take a glance at what the bottom card of the deck is. In this case, it is the Two of Hearts. When you do this, try to be real discreet about it and just kind of flip it over for a second just so that you can see it, but don't really pay too much attention to this. So hopefully your spectator doesn't notice. Then what you're going to want to do is control that bottom card to the top. There's a lot of ways to do this, but the way that I did it is called a top shuffle. So what you do is just hold the cards in your left or right hand, depending on which is your dominant hand, and then just slowly throw off some of the cards from the top, just like so. And once you're getting towards the bottom, make sure you just have one card left, which is the card that you looked at, and that'll be placed right on top. So then if you do this faster, it looks something like this. Now, once you're here with the card that you're looking at, on the top, you can do any other shuffles. I did a nice regular bridge shuffle. Just make sure that you have their card right on the top. Now, once you're here, you're just gonna wanna cut the deck in half, just like so, and then put the other half on top of your card. But here's where some sleight of hand comes in. You're gonna wanna hold a break in the deck. I like to use a pinky break. So to do this, you're gonna wanna take your pinky and just push it onto the cards a bit, so that when you place the rest of the cards on top, your pinky will have a nice little break here so that you know where their card is. And then from the front, your spectator won't actually be able to tell that you're doing this. And then whenever you riffle down, regardless of where your spectator tells you to stop, you're gonna wanna pull the deck apart right at that point. So it'll look something like this. Once you're here, you'll take this card as your spectator's card, which they think they've randomly chosen, but in reality, it's the card that you had all along. Then you can place that to the side, and then just take the deck, put some showmanship in there, just say, oh, I'm gonna find their card within this many seconds, and just riffle the cards out. Then you can pretend to look for the card for a few seconds or instantly if you want. And once you think you found it, you can take their card and reveal what it is. If you've enjoyed this trick, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment some other things you'd like to see me perform in the comment section down below. But for now, I'll see you guys again later. Bye.